Hey guys, how's it going? We are at the plant barn right now. I got a text message from my plant dealer that they got their fall order of plants in, and so it's actually been about 3 days since they texted me. My friend Bailey, who works here, and she said, "Get here. We just got our load in. I've heard it's really good," and so we're here checking it out, seeing what we can find. I feel like I was just here, but who cares, right? I want to find things for some of the containers that I have around the property, specifically in front of the greenhouse. Let's go. This is one of my favorite nurseries to come visit. This is new. This is so cute. Oh, this would be so perfect for behind the greenhouse. Oh, I like this. It's not so intense, but it's really nice. I also like how it has copper on the edges. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just have an issue with loving so much statuary. It really is a problem. Okay. I saw these last time. There is the Pansies, the Antoinette collection. These are the Pansy Elegance Antoinette collection, and then the Twilight collection. And the Twilight ones, I guess, are a little bit darker. The company actually reached out to me after they saw me talking about them, and they are going to be sending me some of them, which I honestly am so excited about. Look how stunning that is. They're so pretty. Even this one, the foliar growth. Oh, that's really, really pretty. This one is the Antoinettes. This one goes over here. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Oh, I love that one back there. Okay, I just found some variegated creeping fig. I really might grab one of these. $9. I really like how this even has moss growing in it. And I love creeping fig. And then you tell me it's variegated, and I love it even more. So this is probably going to be one thing that comes home with me. It's going to be one thing that comes home with me at $9. And it is a very, very hot day out today. Kind of crazy. Oh, look at, they have even more of the fancy pansies. The elegant ones. Gosh, these are so stunning. They just catch your eye kind of from across the entire way. They're so pretty. Okay, I was going to look at getting some cabbage and stuff, I think. What is this? Brussels sprouts. No Brussels sprouts. Brent would die. Okay, let's see what they got back here. Okay, back here is looking like a lot of repeat from what they have up front. The Japanese anemone. Who is this? September Charm. Okay, I'm gonna look this one up. That's looking really pretty already. Okay, September Charm. Hold on. Okay, I looked it up. I don't think I love September Charm. It's pretty. It's not the one that I want, though, so we're not gonna get that one. But we can see what they have out here. But I do see lots of stuff out here. What are these? These would be cute little topiaries. I gotta look up how big do these things get. But these would be so pretty in the greenhouse if they stay small. Are these those heather plants? If I could get this to stay small and compact into a topiary form, wouldn't that be pretty as too? Oh, it kind of smells good. It actually smells really good. Okay, I think I might grab one of these. I actually really like specifically this one that has 2 stems in there, like a multi-trunk situation. I'm gonna look that sizing up really quickly. Okay, I looked it up and it is what I thought it was. It's the breath of heaven or heather or whatever it is, and they do get 4 to 6 feet tall and wide. So I don't think this would be the greatest option, especially because if I trim on it, which is what I would do, it wouldn't even bloom. So this would be something that you really want to put in the landscape and let it do its thing. So we are going to pass on this. This might be something that I think about. Maybe I'll do a little research, see if anyone else has turned it into topiary. I will say, whatever this ground cover is that's in here, I don't know why I really like it though. Okay, can we find anything else in here? Oh, there's some hellebores. Let's see if there's some pretty hellebores. It's probably not the best time to be doing hellebores. It's really best to do them in the fall. Oh, but look at this one. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. 20 bucks. I just feel like I would kill it right now. Okay, I'm gonna remember to come back here in like 2 months. Oh my gosh, this one is really pretty. I love hellebores. Viv Doris, Viv Marabella. These are stunning. And they do have a bunch of the Doris ones, so that's good to know. Okay, we're gonna come back for some of those. Not now though, because this is really not a good time to be planting them. Fall is a great time to plant hellebores though. Okay, and I found this fountain. It's 860. It's so pretty. That would be so pretty right behind the greenhouse. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with this. Okay, this might be something that I think about budgeting for because that's just really, really pretty. I feel like they just got a bunch of stonework in because I'm seeing a lot of new of the Campagna pieces. I saw some other fountains, but I also noticed that they were unloading some things too. So, but yeah, there's definitely more pieces here now. Ooh, like I like this bird bath. Oh, this is a fountain? Oh yeah, you can see the straw in there? They just got this one in. This is really, really unique. But it's so simple. I really like this. Does it have a price on it? $860. It looks like that's about the price of the ones that I keep seeing, is about $860. This is the one that I would like to buy to be able to replace the bird bath that we do have. This one doesn't really have like a sound to it. It's a very, very soft sound, but it's just, I don't know, it looks more like a bird bath and it's just very peaceful. And I like this color way more than I like the color of my current bird bath. So I would like to save up for this piece. I just think it would be really pretty. This one's also bigger. It's taller and wider, which I do really, really like. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of like fall color. I am seeing a lot of new plants. I can see that they've gotten in, it looks like new ferns and things like that. But I am seeing also a lot of new statuary. So I'm not looking for statuary. This is a tricolor fern. That's really, wow. I wish that you guys could see that in real life. It is red in real life. On camera, it's green. Whoa. It's so green on camera, but it's so red in person. That's so weird. Very interesting. Like, see how that's red? It's more like that color, but like a little duller. Super interesting. So I think what I'm gonna do now is run to Lowe's. I'm not seeing a whole lot of fall color. I'm seeing a lot of new plants, but I'm not seeing a lot of fall color, and that's what I kind of wanted, some fall color things. So we're gonna run to Lowe's because I already drove half hour to get into town. And so since I'm already in town, we might as well stop at Lowe's, because why not? Well, it would appear the Lowe's Garden Center doors are closed. It says that they're open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. We're gonna go inside through the inside door and see if they're actually open or if they are closed. I made it inside the store. We have not made it into where all the plants are, but I'm just gonna let you know I'm gonna have a lot of self-control because I won't be buying any Christmas right now. And it is very hard for me because the second I see this stuff out, I end up usually getting my Christmas stuff. So we're gonna have self-control and we're not going to. I am, however, going to pick up some pumpkins. These are $5 a piece. That feels so expensive. These are $7 a piece. I'm gonna grab a couple of these ones and then there's some specialty ones that I am also going to be grabbing. But definitely some of these white ones. I'm gonna try to find some that are not so bruised. I'm not gonna grab any yellow ones, orange ones. They're not really my favorite, but I do, however, like these ones. So I think I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna stop in another place. I want ones that match. I really like this one. but I'm not seeing a match to it. So we're gonna wait. I thought I was gonna grab some of these. They feel kind of expensive too. I do like this one, however. I don't know how much that one is, but I do like it. It's probably the same price, $13 a piece. I'm gonna wait. We're gonna get our specialty pumpkins from a local pumpkin place. And they have corn stalks, which I was thinking about doing this year. Okay, we're gonna wait on, I think I could probably get them there too. They are $12 a bundle here. It's not really the biggest bundle. Ugh. We are striking out really, really, really hard today. Not happy about this. Okay, we're looking for fall color. And we don't buy mums when they are fully branched out like this. These mums are almost done blooming. You can see how the color is starting to fade on these. They're not really, they don't have any more buds. I mean, they have a couple, but they really don't have enough to give you a whole second show like that. So we're gonna not buy those. I'm gonna probably grab 2 of these sweet potato vines from the container. So 1, 2 of these little teeny tiny $6 sweet potato vines. Ay. Okay, here we go. Maybe we grab some of these guys. They don't look the best. I don't like how they're holding on to their blooms. We're gonna pass on those. $7 Coreopsis. And while this looks absolutely stunning right now, it's just so not worth it to pay $8 for mums when they don't last. If you want big mums, get your mums big, but only get them if they have all of their buds closed, or if only just a couple of them have opened. Even this one's probably not that great because I'm not seeing a million buds on there. You really want to see a lot of buds on your mums to get a really good show from them. The fact that this thing isn't like just covered in buds shows me you're not going to get a great show from it. Okay, I am honestly just super unimpressed with what I'm finding today. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of great plants out here right now, which is kind of a bummer. So it probably doesn't help that it's over 90 degrees and I'm looking for fall color. Not really the best time to find fall color. I'm gonna check the clearance racks, see if I can find anything on clearance, but I can already tell you it's not looking promising. Yeah, there's the clearance rack. Vinca, some dead mums, some dead ice plants. Oh, disappointing. I just think that we get our fall plants in so late here, and it's hard because I see so many other people getting ready with fall plants. Not me. Can't relate to that. Yeah, just, there's not really fall color. Kind of a bummer. All right. Well, Home Depot is right across the street, so I think I'm gonna take a quick drive over there, see if I can find anything over there. I'm so determined to find something, anything, please. Okay, we made it to the orange store. This is the third and final stop. If I can't find anything fall, I guess that's just going to be it, and it was not meant to be decorated. The greenhouse can wait, I guess. Unfortunate. Holy marigold. Wow. $20. They're huge. I typically don't like marigolds. These ones are pretty cool and kind of make a big statement. These might be a little too intense though for me, so I'm gonna say no. Okay. Oh, I like these little peppers. I was thinking about doing some of these. Okay, I think I'm gonna grab some of these ornamental peppers. A $23 hukra is crazy. Those are $7. Those will be perfect. Okay, this is good. I think the rule is that you shouldn't grab a cart because then all of a sudden you get what you want, which is perfect. 1 of these, 2 of these. Perfect. Wait, are you kidding me? Normally 50, now 35, 36. I can never have too many. I'm gonna grab 1 of these also. I feel like I should grab 2 of them, but I don't even know what I'm doing with them, so we're gonna just stick with just 1, but that really is such a great deal on rolled rim terracotta pots. Okay. Ooh, is this thyme? Holy thyme. Smells so good. Okay, I am seeing some fall color over there. I'm seeing some celosia over there that I think I might grab. And some coleus. Okay, let's go over that way. Okay, lots of vinca. Here are some of these celosia right here, $8 a piece. I did use these in the front window box, so they would kind of tie in nicely in the back. I think I like this one here. It has red and pink and yellow, if I can grab it. Grab one of these guys, and we'll grab a second one. So we'll have two of these. It's feeling like that's kind of a lot of color for me. Okay, we'll see. We have some of the super cals. These are really pretty. If I didn't have such an issue with budworm, I might go with those. Okay, looking on this side, I'm seeing coleus, cyclamen. Funny to see cyclamen right now. Mine are also blooming though. Some coleus, it's a little too spring color. I think we're gonna pass on the rest of this that I'm seeing here. Nothing fall-like. I was thinking about grabbing a pack of these violas, but I really don't want to pay $18. That feels so expensive. There's 12 of them. I guess that's not that bad per piece. Oh, okay, we'll grab one of these. Dang it. I did want one that didn't have too much like orange in it. I mean, this is kind of a spring mix one. I think that'll be okay. I just need something to be able to tuck in because I'm going to do one of those. I'm going to do the pepper, and then I'm going to do a pumpkin in it, and then I'm going to tuck these in kind of around it. I don't know. Okay, we're going to stick with just this. Just the ornamental peppers, the celosia, and the one rolled rim. Is that going to be everything that I want to use? No, I would like to have a little bit more, but this is where we're sitting 3 stops later, so this is what it is. So I think that I'm going to go home. I feel like this wasn't the most exciting video, kind of a bust, which happens sometimes. It does suck for me because it is a like 35, 40-minute drive to get out here. Well, that's all right. It's just kind of the name of the game, I guess. So I'm gonna go home, unload all of this, get it all watered in, and then we will get it all planted up before fall time. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.